If you plug in a USB flash drive and hear the connection sound, but it doesn't show up in this PC, don't panic. Press Windows +X and open Disk Management to check its status. If your USB shows as RAW, it means the file system has become corrupted or unreadable. Windows can no longer recognize it as NTFS, FAT32, or exFAT, which is why it disappears from File Explorer and becomes inaccessible. At this point, you could format the drive to make it usable again. But if your important files are still on it, formatting may reduce your chances of recovery. So the key rule is simple. Recover your data first, repair later. To do that, you can use RecoveryFox AI. This tool is designed to scan RAW drives directly. No formatting required. Download and install it from the official website. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comment. Before starting, make sure your RAW USB is properly connected and visible in Disk Management. Launch RecoveryFox AI, and you'll see a clean interface with all detected drives. Select your USB drive and start the scan. The tool will begin with a quick scan, which is designed to recover recently deleted files and intact file system data. However, for RAW drives, the real power comes from AI Scan. Once Quick Scan finishes, AI Scan will automatically begin deeper analysis. It can search for fragmented data and reconstruct files even when the original file system is damaged. The best part is, you don't have to wait. You can browse the result list while scanning is still in progress. Or pause the AI Scan anytime to check recoverable items. Simply right-click the file and select Preview. RecoveryFox AI currently supports previewing document files, PDFs, images like GIF, JPG, TIFF, or camera photo type like RAW format, and even professional project files like CAD drawings. Once you've located the files you need, select them and click Recover. Make sure to always save the recovered data to a different drive. Never back onto the same USB or affected storage device, as this could overwrite remaining recoverable data. After the process is complete, your recovered files will be neatly organized in the chosen destination folder, typically grouped by file type. Now, you can open and verify them to ensure everything is intact and usable. At this point, your important data is safely restored. Only then should you proceed to reformat the USB and reuse it with confidence. Open Disk Management, right-click the USB drive, and choose Delete Volume. It will become unallocated space. Right-click again and select New Simple Volume. Follow the setup wizard to choose a file system, usually NTFS for Windows use. Assign a drive letter. Keep Quick Format checked. Click Finish. After that, your USB will appear again in File Explorer, ready for normal use. And that's how you recover data from a RAW USB without formatting it first. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more recovery tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions about data recovery or USB issues. Thanks for watching. I'm Reco, and I'll see you in the next one.